In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Gcash transaction history. We're keeping this simple and clear so you can quickly find the information you need. Your transaction history is the running record of everything that moves in and out of your Gcash account: cash-ins, payments, transfers, and more. It's the easiest way to confirm that a bill went through, double-check a purchase, or keep your budget on track. First, open your Gcash account on your mobile device just as you normally would. Make sure your internet connection is stable so the app can load your latest activity. Once you're in, give the home screen a second to finish updating. This helps ensure you're seeing the most current information available. Next, look for the Transactions option on the screen. This is your activity hub and the place dedicated to showing everything that has happened on your account. Tap it to proceed. No need to dive into other menus. Transactions is designed as the one-stop view for your recent activity. When the Transactions page opens, you'll see your transaction history arranged in a clear, chronological list, typically with the most recent items at the top. Each line usually shows key details at a glance, such as the date and time, the type of transaction, the amount, and an indicator of whether it's completed, pending, or reversed. You might also notice the merchant or recipient name alongside a reference or tracking code. These details make it easy to recognize what each entry is about and to verify the status of your payments and transfers. Use this screen to quickly review cash-ins, bills paid, QR payments, online purchases, and money you've sent or received. If you're tracking your budget, this view helps you see patterns, like frequent small payments or a recent spike in spending, so you can stay in control. If something looks unfamiliar, pause and review the details carefully on this page to understand the type, amount, and timing of that activity. If your list looks like it hasn't updated yet, give it a brief moment to refresh. Minor delays can happen when the connection is busy. For privacy and security, be mindful of who can see your screen, since this page often includes merchant names, amounts, and other sensitive details tied to your recent activity. That's all there is to it. Open your Gcash account, tap Transactions, and view your complete transaction history in one organized place. With this quick workflow, you can confidently confirm payments, keep records for budgeting, and maintain a clear picture of your financial activity.